Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are crafting a doll-sized Instax Mini 9 camera. This item has been on my to-do list since American Girl released their birthday party set last year. We made the Instax by layering recycled paperboard. It can hold tiny Polaroid pictures. And the best part, we can paint it any colour we like. To start, draw a trapezoid 4 cm tall with a base of 3.5 cm and a top width of 2.5 cm. Round the edges to mimic the body shape of an Instax camera. Divide this shape into thirds, and on the left side, sketch in the camera grip shape. Next, find something circular for the lens. I used a mini cork, but plastic lids from spray bottles can work well. Trace this circle onto your template as shown. On recycled paperboard, trace and cut a template for the camera grip. Make another body piece with the lens circle removed. Make a third template for the body, and finally a template for the photo sleeve. Stack and glue together 6 camera grip pieces, 4 lens pieces, 3 front body pieces, stack and glue 3 photo sleeves. We will use this little rectangle as a guide for our Polaroid pictures later. Finally, stack and glue 4 body pieces for the back of the camera. With all our sections ready, we can build the camera. Be generous with your glue stick or school glue, as we want these pieces to connect, especially around the edges. For a finished look, cover the side walls with a strip of poster board. Here is what it looks like so far. I also added a rectangle on the back for more detail. For a wrist strap, take 2 strands of embroidery floss, make a loop and tie a knot. Attach this to the side of the camera with glue. For neatness and to make it extra secure, I adhered the strap with another strip of poster board around the camera. Okay, time to paint. Instax cameras come in so many pretty colours. Tell us in the comments below, what colour would you choose? Here is the camera after 3 coats. Use a silver gel pen to highlight the buttons and draw on extra details. Use a stationary hole punch and black cardstock for the camera eye. I used tiny silver diamantes, and I also raided my son's Lego collection for a clear piece for the flash. Cut rectangles of white poster board for the Polaroids. It's optional, but to make them uniformed, I cut a template and held it in place with masking tape so I could colour with a black marker. Alternatively, you can print images from your computer or cut pictures from an AG magazine and glue them on. There you have it. Your super cute Instax Mini 9 camera is ready to capture all your doll's special moments. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching.